Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. As you can probably see, this video is being filmed in the rather surreal space of my attic, where I'm going to be based for the next 2 or 3 months while we're having our kitchen done. Anyway, if you do enjoy this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online English language lessons. Our neighbours a couple of doors down from here had twins last year, and these neighbours are both in their 40s and they're both professional people, so they're both trying to juggle working with looking after small children. And they've got these 2 kids who are now almost a year old, and I know the kids have proved to be a bit of a handful. I was chatting to the father outside the house the other day and asking him how it was going, how they were getting on with everything. And he said, we're surviving. We're taking it day by day. It's been a lot more tiring than I'd imagined. And to be honest, by the time we get to about 8 o'clock most days, we're both at the end of our tether. If you say that you're at or that you've reached the end of your tether, you mean that you've run out of strength, you've run out of patience, you can't cope anymore with the situation that you're now in. To give you another example, lots of businesses are now reaching the end of their tether, or at least their owners are, as they continue to struggle with the ongoing lockdown restrictions. National Health Service staff who've been working flat out for the last year in very difficult situations often complain that they're nearing the end of their tether and that they're worried they simply won't be able to cope anymore. If you have enjoyed this video, press the like button, the thumbs up sign. It helps us with the algorithm. Make sure you share it with your friends, your colleagues, your students, and in the comment section below. Maybe you could tell us about a time when you felt you were at or you were reaching or nearing the end of your tether and explain